Hey dolls, welcome back to DivaDollFlawless. In today's video, I'll be sharing swatches of our Glitz Acrydip Powder collection. There are two colors that are currently available in the collection. We will be expanding it, but for now, these are the shades. So the first swatch I have for you is Glitz 01. Glitz 01 is a fine silver hollow acrydip powder, and I recommend applying these with our DDF nails base gel, our clear builder polish, and one of our no wipe top coats. If you wanted to use an EMA monomer, you may do so. The next shade in this collection is Glitz 02, and Glitz 02 is a fine gold acrydip powder, and I absolutely love this shade. You can find these on my website. I'll have the link below. Be sure to follow us on Instagram if you do not, and I'll see you in the next one. If you have any questions, please be sure to leave them below. As always, and until next time, thank you so much for watching. Have a gorgeous day, dolls. Smooches. Mwah. Bye.